Brittle nails, skin discomfort on your feet, and uneven toenail texture are often treated as surface-level issues. But researchers now understand that nail and foot health reflect a deeper physiological balance, one shaped by antioxidants, collagen signaling, and natural defense mechanisms at the cellular level. A new 13-in-1 nutritional formula has been developed to support total nail and foot resilience from within, targeting the biological mechanisms behind texture, strength, and appearance. Let's explore the key components of this holistic approach. Senna Auriculata, a revered botanical used by Amazonian tribes to restore skin and nail vitality at the cellular level. Oat Bran Acai Berry, antioxidant-rich compounds that protect nail structure and accelerate regeneration of damaged tissue. Licorice Root Pumpkin Seed and Cayenne Pepper extracts, shown to maintain long-term microbial balance and comfort in the lower extremities. Fennel seed and prune juice extracts provide active phytonutrients known to stimulate nail matrix renewal. Organic green tea and hops, recognized for their antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory activity in skin regeneration studies. Vitamin C and E, TAX, essential cofactors for collagen synthesis, giving nails their shape, tensile strength, and smooth finish. Cascara sagrada bark naturally supports nail bed integrity and structural reinforcement. Formulated under USDA organic program standards, this protocol is produced in an FDA-registered facility with no fillers, no toxins, and no synthetic stimulants. In clinical observations, participants reported visibly stronger nails, reduced brittleness, and improved comfort in toes and feet, without the use of topical treatments or invasive procedures. Picture this: high-resolution footage of collagen fibers forming beneath the nail bed, intercut with raw ingredient visuals, botanicals, roots, and fruit extracts, transitioning into standardized capsules. This scientific daily formula supports full-spectrum nail and foot health by working from the inside out. Designed for natural renewal without harsh chemical agents, it's a revolutionary way to reclaim confidence in every step.